I'm going to show you guys how to make a bouncing ball animation just as a practice. So the first thing we need to do is we're going to start with 9 frames. So at the bottom here, we can look at how many frames we have. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to create the floor. And this is what the ball is going to bounce off of. You can pick any color. I'm going to do green. And to make a straight line, I'm going to click down with my marker and press shift and then drag across, and that will make a straight line for me. So you're going to press shift as you draw across to create that straight line for the bottom. And then I'm going to start duplicating this frame so that every frame has this exact same floor on it. So I'm just going to press this button down here. It looks like 2 rectangles stacked over the top of each other, and that's just going to duplicate it. And I'm going to make sure I have 9 frames. Oh, and I have an extra, so I'm just going to delete, and now I'm back to 9, and so we should be good to go. So the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to start at the beginning and create my ball. So I'm going to make my ball pink, and I'm just going to use the biggest size of the pencil, and I'm going to start at the top of the screen, click, and I've made my ball. And then instead of going and starting the animation, I'm going to go right to the middle so I know where I'm stopping, and this is going to kind of help me outline exactly where I need my ball throughout the frames. So I'm going to do the middle slide now, and this is the slide when the ball has hit the floor and has squished a little bit. So I'm going to go down to a smaller pencil size, and I'm going to keep it in the middle and do that shift trick again to keep a straight line and draw a straight line like that. So that is my ball squished. And then I'm going to go back and start to bring that ball back up to the top. So we're going backwards a little bit from that middle slide. So I've got it really squished in the middle slide. And so this slide I'm going to make it a little bit less squished. So I'm going to do the next size bigger of the pencil. I'm going to shift again and make a flat line. And then I can start bringing my ball back up to where it was at the start. So I'm just going to do a dot here and then go up and have a dot here. So now you can see sort of the line as it goes, as it drops down, squishes, and then we're going to do the same thing on the tail end of this GIF. So I have my middle frame. I'm going to get that next bigger size up again, create a straight line. So there's my ball about halfway squished, and then I'm going to bring my ball back up to the beginning. If you want to undo something, Control Z is the undo button, or there is undo arrows up here just to help you with that. So now I have all my frames and I can press play. So this is what it looks like. And that is my bouncing ball animation. So once you're done and you want to save it, you'll go up to the top here and it says new open save export. You want to click export because save will save it as a file that you can't submit to me on Canvas. So you're going to press export and you want to press export as a GIF. I'm going to name this bouncing ball animation. Just so that I can keep it organized on my computer. And then I'm going to export as a GIF, and it's going to download to my computer after I press download animated GIF. And then it has downloaded, and I'm all done. And then this is the file you're going to submit on the Google Slides assignment on Canvas.